Northwest China's Xi'an city is where the past meets the present. It was ancient China's capital for more than 1,200 years in 13 dynasties. The starting point of the ancient Silk Road, linking China to the west, and now under the Belt and Road Initiative, has a new role to serve in China's opening up. Launched in November 2013, the Chang'an China-Europe freight train service has become a vital transport link between Xi'an and Europe. In the first half of 2022, the Chang'an China-Europe freight trains made 1,791 trips. Meanwhile, the city has launched 97 international air routes to 37 countries and regions. Many foreigners choose to settle in this inland Chinese city, starting a business, developing a career, or having a life. Rolf Owanda from the Republic of the Congo is one of them. As the first expat who receives an entrepreneurship visa in China Pilot Free Trade Zone, the 31-year-old launched a media company. In his spare time, he records his life here with short videos.
用这个方式讲中国的文化，来讲外国人在中国的生活，所以我现在选了做文化大家，让大家能看到外国人在中国在西安很好的融入这个地方，我们大家都过得很开心，也能让他们在未来好好来实现他们的梦想。
John Albert Carmichael, a Canadian expert in the storage software industry, was introduced to Xi'an under a local talent introduction program in 2018.
My family is very much integrated into Xi'an. We integrate seamlessly as a community, so we have no issues at all. It feels like home.
Owanda and Carmichael are not alone. Well-developed international trade channels help Shaanxi attract more global partners. Its trading partners now cover 243 countries and regions worldwide. In 2021, total imports and exports in Shaanxi rose to 47.57 million yuan, 5.1 times higher than that in 2012. Moreover, it has also grown into a popular destination for foreign students and scholars.
中国人民的团结和友爱让我十分感动。陕西是我的第二故乡。还是那句话，我是外国人，但不是外人，愿为中国和中亚国家友好交流贡献力量。
The high-speed rail is really a revelation because you can get to see so much of the country quite quickly. Now, almost every season of the year, you look out and you see very clear blue skies,